everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique, and today I have a doll auction haul, a big one, like multiple dolls, multiple hauls. So let's talk dollies. It's a dolly kind of day. So I'll show you what I have, what they can sell for. Hopefully that light is out of my eyes, can't guarantee. I could take my glasses off, but at least I can see. So these dolls in this category, I think I paid probably like $40–50 for. I'll show you what they are and what they can sell for. I do like them. I love the old ones. Okay, so here we have an Adele doll, and she came on a little stand. Isn't she cute? She is darling. I love her little outfit. And I'll throw some comps up there to show you what they sell for too, because I have quite a few dolls to go through. So this is an old Adele doll. I would say she's probably about the 50s or so. Some of these I might have to keep for myself for a little while. They're just too cute. She's adorable. I love her. This one's going in my own collection for a while. Bye-bye. As you can see in back of me, this doll is also listed. I won a big auction of, I think, Christmas things, and she happened to be in there, or they gave them to me. I don't know. I just loaded everything up. This was one of them, so the lot was $1. I really don't want to ship her. She's probably half as tall as I am. She's huge. I don't really have anywhere to put her. Right now she's in my dining room, and if somebody comes over. Okay, so this doll, she needs to be restrung a little bit. I have not washed these at all, but they were really nice and clean. And actually, the owner of these dolls actually left some really nice notes. So as you can see, oh, that's funny. Oh. So she is an older doll, and she is a German. This says unmarked composition. This lady wrote down 1935 to 39. The owner put $400 on her, 23 inches. She is a German doll. She has a mohair wig. It's kind of purple, so I might take that off and replace that. This one I did buy for myself too. She's got original clothing, or clothing to that period. She's so cute. And she's got little booties. There's definitely a composition, that hard. Now I think the owner was thinking she was going to get a lot more than what she did for these. When you put it at auction without reserve, you just have to be careful or be ready to get rid of them. Usually I'm the only one to bid on these, and I usually win them for like $5. But these were extra special, so other people wanted them too. This dolly is going into my collection for a while at least. Look how cute she is. Yeah, I might have to restring her or send her to somebody that will do that for me. I'll put some information on some doll person on here, and she has really good tips on how to fix dolls. She's amazing. I love watching her videos. So check her out if you would like some more information on dolls. She's definitely an expertise when it comes to dolls. If you hear my dog barking, she absolutely hates these dolls, and there's some of them that she hates worse. This one she didn't mind so much. And here we have a plastic Madame Alexander. This takes as Pussycat doll, 1965. They wanted $120. This may have been an antique booth because they are pre-priced. Really easy for me. She's got a cute little outfit on. So this Madame Alexander, 1960s. Really adorable. She'll be listed for sure. I do at least take some Dawn and clean them off with like a microfiber cloth. And then I have some random things that I don't know what they have to do with anything. So these were found on the bottom of the box, but I probably have another doll that this will fit. There's a hat in there. Really nice mohair wig. If you have stuff like this or you find them, definitely pick these up. These are worth quite a bit of money, and they're horrible to make. I would rather just buy one. I do know how to make them, but if you can buy them, they're definitely easier than making your own. And I'm not sure if this is mohair or if this might actually be real hair now that I'm feeling it. That might be real. So that's definitely a keeper. I'm going to keep that in my stuff just in case I need one. I got some cute little galoshes, some of this might go with other dolls that I just showed you. I haven't looked yet. Haven't even opened the box. Okay, so now in this lot I paid $6. $6 for this lot. So this is what was in that lot. And here's a little Gersha doll. Is that what that says? It actually has a tag on the bottom. Okay, this is Madame Butterfly, and it came from the Opera House, I guess. Cute. I've seen these go for quite a bit, so I'm definitely going to look up comps for you and show you what they are. Super cute. And I think this one came in that lot too. I might be getting a little mixed up in what lots came with what lots, but I think this one came in that lot. I have another lot too that was $5, so I would say this is just part of the either $6 or $5 lot. And this is a cake topper. It definitely needs a little TLC, but it's still usable. It'd be really, really cute at a wedding. Actually, that looks really nice. Most of them I think are kind of ugly, but this one's kind of cute. Here in this lot is a doll, and she rocks. She definitely smells old. But if you plug in the rocker, she rocks. Oh, and she actually moves. And this was in with that $6 lot. She's got little slippers on. I don't know if she's got any tag. And then this came in that lot, and when I took him out, his foot came off. So, he is a little grandpa. Grandpa's kind of smelly. I need some more cleaning on this one. Maybe he's supposed to look dirty. I mean, is he supposed to look dirty? Maybe. He might. I don't know. I'll show you another $5 lot that I got. And this is probably 80s, I would say. This is a little porcelain doll clown cushion. Here's a little hula hoop girl, and this says foursome on the bottom. This is a vintage item. Okay, here's a little dolly, and she's been painted, and she's obviously well loved. So she was cute. She was in that lot. So here's Urkel. Who doesn't love Urkel? I mean... yes, please. Okay, it looks like his little talker is missing out of his back. He's really adorable. My dog is eyeing these dolls, so I'm putting some of them on the floor as I'm going through them. That probably is not a good idea. So this is a 1978 doll. This doll is 1 year older than me. She's cute. And it's interesting. Her body just goes up and down. She doesn't really do anything. 1978 Mattel. So I'm going to find some clothes for her. I cleaned her up already. I need to do something with her hair. I will probably wash these a little bit in some Dawn and then let them air dry. Here's another one, and they were really dusty. It looks like a newborn baby. So she is marked D48, made in China. She's just like a newborn baby doll. And she probably needs her outfit washed a little bit better. So she's cleaned up and she's about ready to go. A hula hoop girl. Look at her face. Here is a 1977 Ideal. That's the year I was born. Oh, I think she talks. Oh, that's definitely creepy. This next box I paid probably $60, $70 for. I bought a couple for myself in there, and the rest of it I am going to sell. Let's open up that creepy box that my husband could not stand. So here's a box I bought, and it's a Chewy box, and my husband is like, what is in this box? What's in that box? So he walked over to it, and he opens it up, and he's like, yeah, that's creepy. Now, I'm seeing some that don't have clothes, so I don't know if I want to show those because I don't want to get marked for that. He was like, this box looks like a coffin of creepy dolls, and he quick closed it back up, which was kind of funny. So I'll show you what's in this box. Here's a really cute Heidi. It looks like Heidi. It still has tags. She's on a stand. I'm going to sell her like that. I'm not going to take her off the stand. I'm not going to do so much work on these as I used to. Really, really adorable. Here's a little boy that matches. And he's got a cute little outfit on. And look at that face. Really adorable. I might list these together. They look like brother and sister. So those might be listed together or separately. Here is an Ideal doll. Super cute. And you can use one of these, or you can use a loop to kind of look at the backs. On the backs they should tell you, or the neck. I'm not sure what year this is, but I should be able to find out with Google Lens. Teeth, and she has opening and closing eyes. I really like the teeth. This dress might have to go on her. It's abbreviated American Char. I'm not sure what that stands for. She seems to walk. So she might be a walking doll, and she looks like she's from the 50s, 60s era. As you can see in the back, she's got walkable legs. And here is the reason I bought this lot. Look at how cute. Super cute. This might be a reproduction because she looks pretty new. But it didn't really matter to me. I love this doll so much. She's got beautiful hair. She's got a beautiful old face. Although she is handcrafted like an old doll, so I'm thinking though she is a reproduction, and a vintage reproduction probably. I'm going to say it might have been made in the 90s. So I think these are newer. If it's not real old and dirty looking, I would definitely think it might be a reproduction. So just watch out for that because some of them really can look like the originals. And this one definitely does. But yeah, as you can tell, she definitely looks newer. Beautiful hair. She's made just like the antique ones in her body and everything. So that whoever made this definitely did a good job. I'm going to put her in a special spot. My dog absolutely hates them. Hates that doll. So here's another one that I think is another reproduction. Super cute. She's got beautiful hair. She's been in the box for a little bit, so it's kind of my fault that her hair looks kind of bad. Really well quality made. Isn't she adorable? I just love her. And she is one that I'll be keeping also. And here's some miniature babies, and these were in that box. That was probably maybe 60s or so, 50s, 60s maybe for both of them. So this is a storybook doll. She's definitely a miniature, really, really cute. Open and shut eyes. So this one also might be a storybook, but I'm not sure. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my cute little dolly lot. And you can find stuff like this too out in the wild. You can find them at auctions, estate sales. You can find them at thrift stores sometimes. Probably the cheapest way to get them would be at a local online auction or a live auction. You can get really good deals there too, including clearing the tables. Sometimes I will go and clear the tables of all the dolls that are left. And you can usually get them for like under $5 for the whole table, which is amazing. So basically I find that in selling dolls, the harder you work at buying the dolls, usually the better the deal I find. So there's my dolls for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you go out and find some cute dolls for yourself too. They're definitely worth picking up. They're always just really interesting, I think. So she'll be going into my office and I'll be enjoying this one, and she is adorable. Reproduction or not, these are so cute. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.